Hi, welcome to the foreigner in the Philippines. We got the thresher and the blower for Manong Rado. We're here in Taliban. So we bought the thresher is with motor, so there's no need to manual on doing it. So thank you very much, Sir Rose, for giving this gift to Manong Rado. It cost 20,000 pesos for the two machines. Thank you so much. Yeah, we got the thresher here, and we're going back to Taliban again to get the blower because there's no enough space for the two machines in the truck. Here it's our second trip for the blower. So the two machines cost 20,000 pesos. Thank you very much, Sir Rose. Thank you so much. It's a big help for Manong Rado and the rest of here, to make an easy and fast work in the farm. Thank you very much. You don't know how much we're grateful.
Well, we finally got the thresher home, and now it just remains for Rado to get his stepson to carry it across the rice fields to the house.
Yeah.
Right, but Rado would like to thank Sir Ross for this great gift. You will never know, believe me, how much work this will save, and in not having to give up a portion of the rice harvest. So this is Rado.
Thank you, Sir Ross, sa thresher ug sa blower. Kung nakitama ako. Thank you, God bless you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ross.